In this video, I show you how to find the watch later videos on YouTube. So for example, I have watched some videos and I just want to continue later. So I just clicked on these three dots and saved that video to watch later. Now how we can view all of these videos and how we can find them, just click on this profile icon at the bottom right hand corner. And after that, you will see this playlist area where in the front we can see watch later private. So basically this is a private playlist. If you scroll through it, you might find somewhere else as well. So just click on it and here it is. You can watch any of the video and whatever video you have already watched, for example, this one right here. And as soon as I've refreshed, as you can see, this is completely watched. Now, if I want to delete just the watched videos, what we can do is just click on these three dots right at the corner and you can remove the watched videos just like so. So it's a very effective tool to one by one watch the important videos and then you can remove the watched videos and the rest of them remain. So that's it. This is how you do it. I hope you found this video helpful.